If you've been thinking about getting Experian Boost to help you boost your credit score, I want you to watch this entire video. My name is Vernell Watson. I'm the founder of a credit improvement company called Fortune 800, and we've been getting results for people's credit that look like this, and like this. And if you want results that look like that, and you've been thinking about using Experian Boost, I'm going to show you why you should think twice before you do get Experian Boost. Now, I've gotten this right off of the Experian website. Experian Boost helps by giving you extra credit for utility and mobile phone bills you're already paying. It sounds great, right? But what they don't tell you is they only use a certain scoring model that they add these points to. So I have them listed right here. Experian Boost, after they add the utility and the mobile phone bills, it'll only be added to FICO 8 and FICO 9, Vantage 3, and Vantage 4 scores. Now, what does this mean? So let's say you use Experian Boost and it raises your score 28 points. It's been raised with FICO 8, FICO 9, Vantage Score 3, and Vantage Score 4. You're up 28 points. Sounds good, right? But you go and apply for a home loan and they pull FICO. Let's say they pull FICO 9 mortgage score. They pull FICO 9 mortgage score. Now, not just your regular FICO 8 or 9, your FICO 9 mortgage score. So it actually hasn't hit that extra 28 points. It hasn't hit this. So the Experian Boost and paying for this will not help boost the score. It'll help boost your score, but it won't help you achieve what you want to achieve with your credit. You don't just boost your score just to boost it. You're boosting it to buy a car. Or you're boosting it to buy a house. I'm trying to draw a car right here. But you're just boosting it to buy a house, buy a car, fund a business. And you need the boost, the quote unquote boost, you need it to be all across the board. So when you improve one credit score, you improve all of them. Now, I'm not done yet. It says, I said the Experian Boost only works with FICO 8, FICO 9, and Vantage Score 3, but I have even better information about Experian. So, and this is off of the website, like I said. Experian had a data breach that exposed the personal information of 15 million T-Mobile subscribers. So the personal data in relation to this has been exposed of 15 million people. 15 million people's data exposed because they're trying to get their credit score up, or they think they're getting their credit score up when they're only getting a FICO 8, FICO 9, Vantage Score 3, Vantage Score 4. Not all their scores are boosted, and they're putting themselves at a massive risk. Experian has had a lot of data breaches, and you don't want to give them more information because you're going to have to give them access to your bank account to make sure you're paying the bill on time. Statements. And the more information that you give them, the more difficult it's going to make it to improve your credit or repair your credit going forward. So before you get Experian Boost, I want you to consider all of these things. Experian Boost only works on FICO 8 and FICO 9, Vantage 3 and Vantage 4. So if you're going to get a home loan and using FICO mortgage score 9, then it's not going to help you. If you're going to get a car loan and you're using FICO Auto 5, it's not going to help you in that situation either. So if you're looking to boost your credit fast in order to achieve one of these goals, whether it's a house or a car, using Experian Boost might not be your best option, and not straight from the website. That is going to be it for this video, guys. Like, comment, and subscribe, and share this with a friend who might be considering using Experian Boost to boost their credit score.